Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. We are Tech4Life. This day, OPPO Reno6 Pro Plus, OPPO Reno6 Pro, and OPPO Reno6 have been launched in the Chinese market. And this is Reno6 Pro, the phone that we will meet in this clip. OPPO Reno6 Pro 5G smartphone has a 6.55-inch Amoled display, which supports a 90 Hz refresh rate. The screen has a resolution of 2400 by 1080 pixels and 402 pixels per inch pixel density. The bezel-less punch-hole setup of the device also features an aspect ratio of 20:9 alongside a pixel density of 403 pixels per inch. It measures 160.0 mm by 73.1 mm by 7.6 mm and weighs 177 grams. The OPPO Reno6 Pro is a dual SIM smartphone that accepts nano SIM and nano SIM cards. It also comes with the phone has three colors of Night Sea, Summer Sunny Sea, and Star River Like a Dream. On camera front, OPPO Reno6 Pro get a 64 megapixel f1.7 wide angle, 81 degrees field of view primary camera, 8 megapixel f2.2 wide angle, ultra wide angle camera, 2 megapixel f2.4 macro camera, 2 megapixel f2.4 depth camera, autofocus, ISO control, digital zoom, HDR mode, continuous shooting, face detection, auto flash, touch to focus are some of the available features. Additionally, the device receives a 32MP selfie camera on the front. The phone is powered by octa-core, 3 GHz, single-core, Cortex-A78 plus 2.6 GHz, tri-core, Cortex-A78 plus 2 GHz, quad-core, Cortex-A55 processor. It runs on the MediaTek Dimensity 1200 chipset. It has 8 GB RAM and 128 GB internal storage. A non-removable 4500 mAh battery gets installed inside the device. The cell belongs to the Li-ion variant and is also equipped with 65W fast charging technology. OPPO Reno6 Pro 5G smartphone runs on Android V11 operating system. Connectivity options on the OPPO Reno6 Pro include Wi-Fi and USB Type-C, mobile hotspot, Bluetooth, GPS, 5G and 4G, Volt networks, NFC and more. Sensors on the phone include accelerometer, ambient light sensor, gyroscope, proximity sensor, and in-display fingerprint sensor. The 8GB, 128GB version costs 3,499 yuan, $548, and the 12/256 of a gigabyte version is 3,799 yuan, $595. Okay. My OPPO Reno6 Pro review video ends here. Let me know what you think about this phone. And don't forget to support me by clicking the like button. Please subscribe to my channel to see the next videos. Thank you and goodbye.